find the surface area of a cylinder, you only need two things, the radius and the height. If you don't have the radius, then divide the diameter by 2 to get the radius. The formula for finding the surface area of a cylinder is pi r squared times 2 plus pi times the radius times 2 times height equals the surface area of a cylinder. What this does is find the area of the congruent circles on the top and the bottom of the cylinder. It also finds the outside of the cylinder. Here's an easy to follow example. A cylinder with a radius of 2 and a height of 10. First times the radius by itself, which equals 4. Then times that by pi, which comes out to 12.56. Then multiply that again by 2. Which gives you 25.12, and that gives you the surface area of both the bottom and the top cylinder circles. Okay, now it's time to find the outside of the cylinder. To do that, you multiply the radius by pi, which equals 6.28. Then you multiply that product by 2, which gives you 12.56. Then after you find that, you have to multiply that number by the height, which, if you remember from all the way back then, was 10. The product ends up being 125.6. Finally, you'll have to add the product you just found to the number we found before at the top, the area of the circles, which was 25.12, and add them together. You get 150.72. That is the surface area of your cylinder. And after that, you have to label it in units. Units squared, and you have your surface